Hi, I'm Ralph Conklin. We're here to talk about data center cooling, whether to retrofit it or replace it as it ages. There are many considerations. Making the best decision will be based in part on how you answer questions like these. How old is your equipment? How reliable is it? What are your capacity needs, near term and in the future? What's your tolerance for a service interruption? What are you spending on maintenance? What will it cost to retrofit versus replace? And what's your payback period? Let's take a look at a common scenario. These units are less than 10 years old and you've kept them serviced on a regular basis, so they should be running well. But you want to consider improving their efficiency. Here are some questions to consider in this situation. What is your current energy consumption? Even though your current units are not too old, newer units or retrofits could save you up to 30% on your annual energy costs. And how are your cooling system controls? An update here to advanced controls could help you achieve more effective cooling across your data center, eliminating hotspots while optimizing energy usage. Plus, new generations of advanced controls have automated routines that protect cooling units from damage and keep units operating within key thresholds. If you want these advantages, upgrading might be the right solution. Adding variable speed EC fans or variable speed drives, advanced controls, and containment can provide a fast payback. Let's look at the numbers, starting with 10-year-old Liebert DS cooling systems as our base case. We'll consider a 1 megawatt data center with 16 of the older cooling units. Upgrading the units with EC fans, advanced controls, and adding aisle containment to the rack rows could reduce annual cooling system energy costs by about $135,000. Plus, you might qualify for an energy rebate, which would average around 25% of equipment costs. The energy savings and the rebate against the equipment and installation costs will yield a very favorable payback period, only about 20 months. Plus, your PUE will drop from about 1.44 to 1.29. And with variable speed fans, new controls, and containment, you'll be able to run at a higher return air temperature. So you'll go from having to run 16 units to just 10. That will let you put some of the units in standby for redundancy. This is just one favorable scenario for upgrading. I invite you to view our other videos as well to see how upgrades or replacements can provide fast paybacks in different situations. For more on cooling system upgrades, visit our website.